What's up everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video will be on date night look makeup tutorial. So the first thing that I start off with is my eyebrows. Yes, I know, not foundation. I start off with my eyebrows, and I am using the Anastasia Dip Brow in the color, my phone sucks, it's Granite. And I will be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills. Okay, let me try to get close, but I cannot see shit. I don't recommend you guys wear anything cute while you do your makeup. I'm just doing it for the video. So I wanted to do this look to help some girls out, like to get some sort of idea if they want to go out with their husbands, their Sanchos, or bitch, even to steal somebody's man at Walmart, you know what I mean? But this, I don't know what it is, but it's like literally all gone. I used this one, and it is the color Banana. It's the contour cream kit. And I will be using Anastasia Beverly Hills little brush. You know what? My boyfriend better take me somewhere for doing this. Okay, and then I just brush them out again. Okay, so there's the brows. They're somewhat done. I still use some sort of gel to like comb them out, but I do that until the end. Don't ask me why, I don't know. This is just the way that I do my makeup. So now I'm going to do my eyeshadow before I put the foundation. I don't really know what's date night colors, like something dark, smoky. Okay, so before I do my eyeshadow, I put like concealer. I don't put any primer base or anything. And this is Makeup Forever Ultra HD. It doesn't focus, this is why I need a camera. Blend that out. I am going to use the Urban Decay Naked Heat palette. I will be using, I don't know what kind of brush this is, but my boyfriend got me these brushes for Christmas from Amazon for like $10. I don't really remember. Sauced, this one right here. I'm just gonna be using the same brush because honestly I don't have really any like brushes for eyeshadow. I need to invest in some, I know. I don't think I'll ever buy expensive eyeshadow brushes again. They got stolen. I got in a fight because of it. There was like 5 brushes for literally like $120, and they got stolen. Bitch, of course I was gonna get in a fight. Bomb. Okay, this I believe is Anastasia brush. Not so sure. I don't know. Too Faced chocolate palette. Okay, I will be using the color Licorice on my eyelid. Now for the lid, I will be putting MAC. It is called Dangerous Cuvée. It's Pro Longwear Paint Pot. It has like shimmer to it. With this heat brush, Glitter Goals, and this is a palette by Too Faced. It's really cute. We'll be applying it on the eyelid as well, just so it can look super sparkly. After that, I will be putting Splash. It's like a teal green, I don't really know, but so what I always like to do is moisturize before I apply any makeup. And this is BB cream, CoverGirl, in the color shade 805. The tinted moisturizer. This much. The foundation, I wear MAC. It is Studio Fix in the color NC 35. I don't put too much because my face doesn't need it. This brush, the one that my hubby got from Amazon, they work really well. I've been using them for like a year and a half already. No, not even. I'm lying. Well, you know what? No, it was, yeah, not this last Christmas, but the other one. So yeah, it's been a year. I will be using the Anastasia Contour Cream Kit in the color Cinnamon from Amazon, and just blend it out. Stupid ass chair, okay. I use this concealer. It's called Makeup Forever. Okay. Okay, once I do that, use a sponge to blend it out. Okay, once that's done, this is when I blend out the contour. This is a Kat Von D powder and translucent. And what I use is this sort of sponge. Put it underneath the eyes, on the side of the nose. Sort of blend it out like that. Now you let it bake. Bronzing. I use this brush, and it is It Brushes Hula Benefit. It works really good. Like, this is like probably my favorite. There's barely anything in there. One of the Amazon brushes, Tarte blush in the color Party. Okay, for the cat eyes, I will be using, I don't know, I got it at a little store here in Mexico. Yep, I live in Mexico. It was 40 pesos, so approximately like $2. This is what it looks like. I always miss this step, you guys. I like to put shimmer right here. The Anastasia Nicole Guerrero Forever Lit. See that? Yes, bitch. You gotta make your eyes pop out for your boo. Or your future boo. Okay. This is how it looks after the cat eyes. I don't really know if it's perfect or not, but you guys get the idea. From Amazon. Blend that shit out. I always like to go for more of a matte look. I know a lot of girls like to do dewy, and if that's the case for you, then you don't need to do any of this powder stuff. I still put a little bit of powder over, and this is MAC Studio Fix in the shade NC42. Put some here as well so it could sort of match. The Anastasia pomade in Granite, the same brush from earlier, and I like to put it like right here just to make my eyes look a little bit more bold. Especially if you're going on a date, you want to really make sure that your eyes pop out, because that's what your boo's gonna be looking at, is your eyes. Unless if you got big boobs, bitch, and of course he's gonna be looking at your boobs. But that's not the case here. The highlight, can't forget the highlight. This is Anastasia Beverly Hill Amrezy. So beautiful, but it fell as always. I'm so clumsy. Right here. I always like to put it with my finger first and then blend it out. It just pops out when you do it that way. I don't know if it's because this brush sucks. I think I got this from Amazon too. This was like a different set that I got. And I just blend that out. When I outline my lips, I always do this because I like to overline. I don't really know I don't know, just use like a brown lip liner. I look like the Chola girls from back in the days.
Break that shit down, break it down, speed it up.
I'll use that one. It's a little bit bright for me. I don't know. I will be I'll mix a little bit. What is this? Number 5. Just to make it a little bit darker. I will finish my brows, and I use the Essence Lash and Brow. It's like $1 or $2, and I like to spray hairspray on it, and then I just comb it out, but I'm too lazy to go get my hairspray, but this is what I do. Okay, then just do that. Time for the lashes. I got these from Sweetheart Lashes. I'm not so sure if they were called Grace. Don't know, but this is what they look like. It's Duo. Here we go. You know what? I need my mirror. Sorry, guys. Pinch them down. I don't use the eyelash little tool thing. I've tried it. It pokes shit out of my eye.